seat of my car with my arms around my guitar. And the rain falls.
Hello everyone, it's only me and Connor today because Matthew, Finn Payne and the rest of the guys are just at home, so they decided not to come along. But we're going to be hiking and we're going to do a fire and we're going to be cooking up some sausages and some hot dogs. So yeah. Alright, so we've reached the Knockcree Hostel with the start of the trail. So we're probably going to get there in about an hour and a half, yeah. Yeah, and then we're going to get the campfire going and then we'll get some firewood.
I've been down for oh so long. Seemed like my soul was dead and gone. But it's alright, I'm back in the fight. I thought my day would never come. Maybe it won't come.
Can I show the lads what you did?
I attempted a river crossing and ended up in the river.
Yeah, really there. We have arrived. We've reached the fire spot. We're just by Paris Court Waterfall. Well, the plan is we're gonna get a fire going and a stove cooking, and we're gonna do some hot dogs. So yeah. So me and Connor were coming along, and you'll never guess who we met along the trail. So this is Ryan, this is Dominic, and this is Connor. These are going to be our guests for the video.
Maybe if I shout, give me your hand, I'll give you my mind. It's a fair exchange if you're deaf, dumb, and...
What are we doing, Connor? And Ryan, what are we doing here? Hammock. So we're struggling to get the fire to start, and we've ended up having to use Pokemon cards. Stop. There's nothing we can really do here, so we'll get back to you and get it going. Hi. Fuck, I caught one of the sausages. Thanks for 300 subscribers. So, made the hot dogs.
I don't know, you never made one.
Character setup. I'm using the binoculars. There's nothing really around here, but I feel like this would be a good place to camp, but it would just take a while to get used to. But yeah, so having lunch, and I'll probably put something more warm on me because it's starting to get cold.
Ventura Highway in the sunshine, where the days are longer, the nights are stronger than moon.
Alright, so we've made the decision that we're all going to go back together because we're all going the same way and we're all going to get the same bus. So we're going to go for a new route around that we've found a couple of months ago. We haven't tried it out yet, but yeah.
got tissue that I wish you saw. Sock captain, Mr. Know It All. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you, cause with the birds I'll share. With the birds I'll share this lonely view.
Alright, so we've decided against our cheeky side quest because it ended up leading to some waterfall that we did not want to go to. So we're just gonna go down the way from the other video, the camping in between Malden and Jared's video.
Share this lonely view. With the birds I'll share this lonely view. With the birds I'll share this lonely view. Blood lost in a bathroom stall. A southern girl with a scarlet draw. A wave goodbye to Ma and Pa, cause with the birds I'll share. With the birds I'll share this lonely.
We might be a little bit cooked. We are about half an hour from the train station, from the bus station, and the bus leaves in about 17 minutes. So, and the next one's like an hour and a half, yeah, 2 hours away. Whew. Right, so we missed the bus. What can we do? So now we're gonna have to wait an hour for the next one. We finally reached the train station. So we've reached the stop and we finally got here. So I think this is where we say goodbye. Toodles.
Like and subscribe to the Wicklow Cowboys!